For devices run older version, try DNS bypass. Connect to Wi-Fi during device setup. Tap the icon next to your network. Select Configure DNS, then choose Manual. Enter a region-specific DNS server. This may temporarily skip activation lock but disables calls, messages, and iCloud services. When DNS fails or isn't viable, use MagFone Activation Unlocker. Unlike limited workarounds, MagFone permanently removes iCloud locks without passwords. Select Remove iCloud Activation Lock on the main interface. MagFone will put your device into recovery mode. Follow the on-screen instructions to manually enter DFU mode to jailbreak. Proceed to click on the Start Jailbreak button. This will take some time, please be patient. Please keep your device connected to your computer during the jailbreaking process. After successfully jailbreaking your device, you can start removing the iCloud activation lock. The device will enter recovery mode. You need to manually enter DFU mode again. After successfully bypassing activation lock, you can use your iPhone.